controllers, and this robot arm is controlled by motors 1, 2, and 4, or A, B, and C. There's also some sensors attached, but I will not be presenting them today. So, yep, there's a demonstration. The robot is supposed to go forward and pick up one of the blue balls, but it's still work in progress. So, well, the ball apparently was placed a little too.
It's like a vacuum cleaner. You have to throw the trash into it. All right.
Apparently it needed to pick up the tire as well, but originally it was supposed to pick up the ball. Yeah, and I was going to attach the ultrasonic sensor on it, but I wanted to be sure before I tried it. I'm kind of new to C programming, so I didn't want to, like,
Start with the basics.
yeah, try to start with the basics. I'd like to thank Joseph for helping me teach C programming and help build, or at least program this robot. Any questions? No?
So you use C language, and what language did you use to speak to your mentor?
Half Lego Mindstorms, half C.
No, what language did you use to speak to Joseph?
Oh, to Joseph? English, basically. And
All right, okay. Joseph is one of our mentors, shy, but he's a very good programmer. But that's all overcome, and kids still learn quite a bit from him.
How long do you work in Mindstorm class? Then you go to the C programming class.
Do you mind asking that again, please?
Then how long did you work in Mindstorm class
Oh,
before you go to the new program?
I've been at Mathobotix when I started here maybe 2 years ago, around 2 years ago, and then once you get the hang of it, they just push you forward, and then you learn C, or in the process of learning C.
He was actually almost 3.5 years. Yeah.
So what made you think of C instead of using whatever you were using for programming? Means why did you think to use C? Means what makes you to think like, okay, I have to now learn C? What you then edge you to?
Well, there's 2 reasons. One was definitely my dad. He definitely wanted me to learn C. And second reason was C is more accurate, and it lets you begin to think about real programming. And not that Lego Mindstorms is bad, but it's kind of starting. And in the real world application, like software designing, after Java and C++, you don't really think about blocks. So, like, Joseph still, sometimes gets mad at me when I forget the semicolon at the end of a sentence. So you start to catch those little things, and